So today I am going to show you how to install Aqara S100 panel. Just come. So this is the panel and this is the power. You can connect from here, neutral line and the load wire. So before that, just unlock this display from here. So this is different and this is different. So now I am going to install the cables. This is a neutral and this is a line, and we have load cables line 3, line 2 and line 1. So now I am going to connect the cables, neutral, line and the load. So this is hold like this and connect the neutral cable here, and this is our line cable. And tight it properly. Before doing this, please turn off the power from the DB. And this is our load cable, we already written here. Maybe okay. So then once it is connected, turn on the power from the DB. Then just fix it the display. So now the S100 panel is getting on. This is our application, Aqara Home. So we have added some devices. So now I am going to show you how to add this S100 panel to the application. So here is the add. Just press on the add accessory. And here you need to refresh the code, it will get QR code. So we got it pop up here. Just press on this. So it's connected and this is our Wi-Fi. We have put the password. If you have different network and password, just mention here. And next step. So now with this, before doing that, please note that the Wi-Fi and the location, the Bluetooth and the location should be on, and the device mobile should be connected to the same network. So this is our S100 panels. So just we are changing this panel to the panel something light panel. A room, we are making something somewhere anywhere. Just you know that which room you have, just make like that room. Next, just skip it and give the next code. Just skip here. All skip. Once it is done, so just you need to upgrade to the latest firmware. So to update the firmware, just go for the accessories and here you select your room. Here you have light panel. Here you go to this menu and select the firmware update. Okay, now our device is set up fully, updated successfully. Now we make done. Now we need to add this to the hub for the Zigbee purpose. So we need to add this device to the hub. Go for here and select the hub here. So now we have only one load we are connected here. The spotted we are connected. So this relay, so we need to give in the main page. So this is our main page. To control purpose, we need to give in the how to create the page. So here you go to the light panel, same light panel. So you need to change this one in the panel. The switch one we are connected to the spotlights. So I'm changing it name. Spotlight. Just code, you can select the code. And this is your room. Just select the room. Doorway. Yes, it's done. So now we can create the page in the main page. So here you go. In the light panel, we have configure. In the configure, just select this create page. So in this page, I am creating this page now. So here we have no dimmable, nothing. Just we have only load control here. So this first page we can use it as the weather or clock. You can anything you can use. You can use for the clock. Second page I am going to use it the doorway, light panels. So this is the switch one. So from here spotlights. From here you can control the lights now. You can do on and off from here. This way we need to be configure the S100 panel. So this is how we are going to install the S100 panel, and the line how to create the page, come to know everything. So in the next upcoming days we are going to show you how to add the hub, relays, everything we are going to show you. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.